Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode I'm going to make these hood rollers because the hood sometimes you can fight you getting that thing up, and I looked at these. Edward B on the forum, Paul, he's got these plans you can actually download and print off, and I got one side done. Let me show you what I've done so far. So if you look over into here, a couple of skateboard wheels, and then the hood just kind of right over it, so you don't fight in this latch. Because it kind of pushes the hood out where it should be. So let me show you what I've done on this side. So here's the bracket. As I said, Edward B on the forum, he's got the plans for this. And then this thing is going to slide up into here. I had to pull, I had this all sealed up. So this will slide up into here like that. So what I'll do is I'm going to drill and get the wheels attached first. Then I'll pin it with a pair of vice grips on the inside, move it where I need to, and then drill the holes. And then it's done. And it's not a huge job, but it's, you know, probably the hardest part is cutting out this piece of aluminum. It's 1/8 inch thick aluminum. And then I said, you just go right off his plans, right where the holes go. It's a piece of cake. I'll show you the wheels. I forget what size they are, but he's got it on his forum. And it works perfect. I mean, it's actually it's a slick setup. So I'm going to get these two holes here drilled, get the wheels mounted, and then we'll get this placed into place and figure out where we need to go. So I definitely highly recommend this upgrade. So the skateboard wheels, they take a 5/16 inch bolt. So I'm drilling these out to 5/16, and then we'll put a little chamfer on the edge. Yeah, I'm doing it by hand. As I said, I don't have a drill press, so you know, you don't need a drill press to build one of these cars. It definitely would make life easier, but you don't need one. As I said, I'm pretty much built this car all hand tools. So Okay, so now we got to find some bolts, and then we will bolt these skate wheels up like that. So easy enough. Here's our completed unit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to slide this up into here like so, and then we're going to pin it from the back side. And then what I'll do is I'll drop the hood, I'll reach in through the vent here and get it lined up where it needs to be. So I've marked a hole here. The other one's gonna be down into here somewhere. As I said, I don't think, I don't know, this pattern's not perfect, but it gets you definitely close and in the ballpark. So I'm gonna drill this out, and then I'll at least get that one mark and drilled, and then we'll pick up the other one here in a few minutes. So here's what I've done. You can see I've got it marked in there with a pair of vice grips. Or I've got it pinned with a pair of vice grips. And then I've got the hood shut. And now I can reach up into here and I can feel where the wheels are. So right now I'm away from it. So I'm going to take that vice grip off and then just start moving this until I get the two wheels up against it. And that's where I'll actually drill the hole. And I'm going to drill them oversized so then I can move it around. It's a pretty slick setup, I've got to admit. Actually, I'll shut that too. That works. That's where it wants to be. So we're almost there. So we'll go inside, pull the vice grips, and then we'll move it, re-grip it, and then I'll drill that hole. I've got to admit, that was a good mod. So we get rollers now, both sides. It just makes, instead of trying to fight the hood over everything, just pushes it out, wraps around, and shuts. I mean, it makes life so much easier. I did have to trim back this far here, but now the hood comes up and down so easy. I'll show you what it looks like inside the car. Hopefully you can see this. You can see the two bolts. Hopefully you can see that. And as I said, the hood just opens and closes so much easier. I mean, it just whoop whoop. I still don't have the hinges on yet either, the high shocks. So that's gonna probably be next. I gotta put some miles in this thing again next weekend. Then I think it's gonna be tune time, oil change, and then I'm gonna focus on getting those hinges modified so I can get, because right now that's as far as that hood opens, and it makes working on it a pain in the ass. And I want this thing to go straight up like they should. So I'm gonna start modifying the front. Those hinges, we're gonna make new ones, or at least cut part of them, pie cut them. I'm not sure yet. but it can be done, and then we'll have the hood bill open all the way so I can at least get in there and work on it. Hopefully with Coyote I don't have to, but I want to have access. So thanks again for watching, and we'll call that hood roller modification. So thanks again. Hit subscribe.